Thank you very much, everybody. Great community support. This is for another fellow YouTuber, DIY Dark Matter. If you don't know him, go check him out. He's an awesome, generous guy, helps everybody out in the community, has great live streams. He does all kinds of stuff. He's awesome. Great woodworking skills, too. He's having a 3,000 subscriber push right now. I believe he has a ferro rod that he made a custom handle for. Ferro rod is a Nathan 4071 vintage, not vintage, but nice, very nice, brand new. Anyways, I just watched his, I think he's at 2750. He's almost there. Speaking of almost, I almost harvested a nice doe with my stick and string last night, and then I see the buck. She was 15 feet from me, and I waited. She went back to him, and the wind changed, and he started blowing. And off he went. But hey, it was great, awesome, glad to get out there, get out in the woods and enjoy yourself. And it was cool seeing Mother Nature's critters, and they're very tasty too, by the way. Anyways, so this is the deal, guys. I would like to see I'd like to see him get there sooner than later. So I'm going to, seeing everybody was so generous with my gaw. If you go over, people that had subbed to my channel, if you go see DIY Dark Matter and you sub and you say, I'm in, there's a certain video you're supposed to say that on. I think it's the DIY Homemade Lathe. Go to that video, say I'm in, the Roguester sent me. I'm gonna put this in towards his gaw. So, there you go. Somebody's going to get a plain Jane, hand-forged tomahawk from the Roguester. Go get him to the 3,000 mark. And, hey, guys are awesome. Dark Matter's awesome. I couldn't find my gnome. I couldn't find that little gnome there. I don't know where he went. Maybe he went back to Chris's. I have no idea. But, listen, guys. Wanted to keep this short and sweet. Do a VR for him if you can. That puts you in for 3 chances. If not, hey, that's fine. At least go and sub. Tell them the Roguester sent you, and somebody's going to get this. Anyways, take care. Have a good one. What one man can do, another can do sometimes. Get out there, find yourself a hobby, and remember, it's all about attitude. Right? See ya.
Pure improvisation, not as good as advertised.